I'm back in the south of France on a windsurfing vacation, and I wanted to do another What I Eat in a Week episode just to show some of the super simple meals that I'm making this week. Whenever I'm on a vacation like this, I want to be eating good food, but I don't want to be spending a lot of time in the kitchen. So I'm going to be showing you a lot of recipes that you can make that are super fast but super tasty, and I really hope you enjoy. So right after we got here, I wanted to eat something super nice and filling, but I didn't have a lot of time. So I made this dish with tofu and a spicy peanut sauce. You guys, this spicy peanut sauce will seriously rock your world, and it is so easy. All I do is I put peanut butter, some kind of spicy sauce in there. I had a spicy chili sauce. Then you just add some soy sauce and something that's sweet. I used agave syrup just because that's what I had on hand, and a splash of vinegar or lemon or lime juice. It is so good on so many things, and I am completely obsessed with it. Something that I've been making a lot also at home are quesadillas. These are so easy because you literally only need to mash up some beans and throw it in a tortilla and cook it on each side. I like adding some taco seasoning to the beans. You can also add extra protein like tofu or plant-based chicken, or you can add vegetables if you want to, or you can keep them super basic. But I like them because they are super easy to eat, and really delicious. So what are these that I'm making?
I make tortilla.
So I haven't made risotto in forever, but I made a super good one last night, and it was super simple. I just used some mini baby bella mushrooms, and I sauteed them along with some onion and garlic. I sauteed them enough to where the mushrooms released their liquid, and then I just added some short grain rice to that, along with some broth. And I added some broth, let it cook for a while, let it simmer, get all bubbly and beautiful, and then once it was kind of cooked down and there was no more liquid, then I would add a little bit more broth. And I did that, I think 2 or 3 times until it was nice and creamy and the rice was cooked through. And this was seriously so delicious. It was something that I'm gonna have to make more often because it's just a delicious dish that is pretty hands off. It does take about 30 minutes in total, but it was totally worth it.
Mommy, eat.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I've been making pancakes a lot on this trip just because it's a super simple breakfast that is easy to eat, it's not messy, and they're really delicious. I just mixed together some whole grain flour along with some oats and some almond flour. I really like having some healthy fats in my pancakes. Then I throw some ground flax in there along with some cinnamon. Then I add some mashed banana because that always gives it a really nice sweetness. And I mix it all together with some soy milk. Then I just fry them up in the pan. I make them in little like kind of snack sizes because that's a perfect size for a snack, or it's really easy for my girls to eat, and I love them. I always love a good curry because they are so easy and so flavorful. Here I just sauteed some onion and red pepper, threw in some super creamy coconut milk with a lot of curry powder, then some diced tomatoes. This always adds a lot of flavor to curries. And then I just threw in some red beans for protein along with some potatoes. I really like potatoes in the curry because it really soaks up the flavor of the sauce and it just tastes really good. Then I threw in some tofu for some added protein, gave it a stir, and threw a little bit of water in there because the sauce was getting a little bit thick. And then I just threw the lid on, let it simmer for a little bit, and it was done. I served this up with some white rice. It made a really big batch, which was great because we ate this a couple of times and everyone loved it. It was super delicious. All right, that's it, you guys. I really hope you liked today's episode. Let me know what you thought in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We will see you next time.